Advanced electrical electronic components. Introduction. A basic understanding of how electricity works is essential when troubleshooting, diagnosing, and repairing electrical systems. Electricity is used to control electronic components in many different systems in the vehicle, such as ECU, engine control unit, BCU, body control unit, TCU, transmission control unit, SRS, deploying safety systems. Electricity is a form of energy that comes from the movement of electrons and exists in different states. When two objects are rubbed together to create static electricity, one object gives up electrons and becomes more positively charged, while the other material collects electrons and becomes more negatively charged. Electricity. It can be produced by friction, such as static electricity created by rubbing wax with wool, by chemical action, as in a storage battery, H2SO4, or by induction, as in a generator or alternator. Electricity is ultimately used to produce light, heat, power, etc. Quantity. The electron is such a small particle of electricity that a very large quantity are required to have a measurable unit. The basic unit of electrical quantity is the coulomb. A quantity of 1 coulomb is equal to approximately 6.24 times by 10 to the power of 18, or 6.24 quintillion. The symbol for quantity is Q. Ohm's law is the relationship between voltage, current, and resistance in the circuit. Ohm's law states that the current that flows in a circuit is directly proportional to the voltage and inversely proportional to the resistance in the circuit. 1 volt of pressure will cause 1 ampere of current to flow in a circuit with a resistance of 1 ohm. Ohm's law relationship: if voltage stays constant, resistance goes up as current goes down and resistance goes down as current goes up. In an automotive circuit, voltage is typically constant with battery source voltage steady at key on engine running, about 13.5 volts, or at key off engine off, approximately 12.66 volts. Solving circle. Using the divided circle method makes it easier to remember the formulas. Power is the amount of current times the voltage at given point measured in wattage or watts. The end result of electricity is power. Watt is the unit of electrical power. 1 watt is the amount of power used when 1 amp of current flows under a pressure of 1 volt. The symbol for power is P. Voltage, current, resistance. Voltage. Voltage is the difference in electrical potential between 2 points in a circuit. It's a force that moves the current through a circuit and is measured in volts. Current is the flow of electrons along the conductor. Current is measured in amps. Resistance. Resistance determines how much current will flow through a component. Resistors are used to control voltage and current flow. A low resistance allows a large amount of current to flow along the conductor. The unit for resistance is ohm, Greek capital letter omega. Resistance is proportional to voltage and inversely proportional to the current.